Hey there, guys, gals, fans, and pals. Your buddy JohnMegacycle here. Another episode of Factorio coming at you. I don't know why I'm going that direction when I need to clearly be here. Yeah, today is Demolition Day. Hip hip hooray, it's Demolition Day. To the tune of Weird Al Yankovic's Weasel Stomping Day. Hip hip hooray, it's Weasel Stomping Day. We have spent the last episode or two trying to ramp up a couple things I think are kind of critical. First being science. What I'm doing right now is I'm stripping out red and green science. I'm stripping out Christmas science, I guess? Those are traditional Christmas colors, I suppose. Though I don't partake myself, I'm led to believe. Christmas colors. Okay, so there's red-green science completely gutted. This all goes away, that goes away, and that goes away. And that's all going to get turned into the new stuff. The brand new stuff. Thanks, lads. Oh, I gotta get rid of the line. Thanks, lads. I could have this all done by bots, yes. I don't want to, but I could. I'm going to do a little bit with bots, though. As long as you give several small orders, your personal Roboport will handle it. Which is what I want. I want the science on me because I'm literally about to dump them into a requester chest. Okay. Oh, nuts. I'll take those. Oh, I don't want this spoilage. Gross. Okay. How far can you go? And that is where I want you to go. Alright, one more hit. Thank you. Red-green science. Man, the red-green show, specifically, also something magical. I actually want this to look a little different. Like that. Okay, that gives me a little more room on the inside. Yeah, requester chest. This is gonna look ugly, and, spoiler alert, I don't care. Thank you. Let's see, you're gonna request 200 greeny meanies. You're gonna request 200 red meanies, I guess. There it is. That is trained in science. Done. That's red and greens all done all day, all night. Awesome. That does take a little bit of the pressure off of the circuits, which it wasn't really that big of a deal. But the more important thing is we've multiplied it by 4. So we have a lot of red and a lot of green science being made. So I'm pretty happy with that. Okay, that's one big project I wanted accomplished. What's next? Are we sitting on an abundance of science? It kind of seems like we are, so here's what we're going to do. This is going to get looped all the way around again. And we have construction all the way down. Awesome. That'll get filled in its own time. In its own right. I don't need these things in the middle. I don't need any of that. What I do need, though, is... Oh, I guess I... Well... Womp womp. I guess I did. I would like it to be a little more linear, actually. So something like that, and that, and that. That looks a lot better. Come on. Okay, as far as we can zoom, fine. Fine. Was that King Neptune from the SpongeBob movie? I don't know which one. Aren't there like 9 of them now? I don't know. It's hard to keep up with the kids. I find myself more and more being like Skinner. Am I so out of touch? No. It's the kids. It's the kids who are at fault or something. I don't know how it goes. It's the kid's mistake or whatever. Okay. I want this to look like this so visually I can see stuff. I guess that's kind of a waste. That would look... This is gonna look like this. Is there a better way for us to purge out spoilage then? The middle one is... it'll be this one. And maybe we do something like this. Oh, fine? Maybe fine. We'll do some of this. Okay, that'll filter out the spoilage. And rotate the green science to ensure there's no spoilage on the line. Let's say... I don't... 2E, what the hell? I don't need you going that fast. You know, we maybe could just do this. There. What's your normal stack size? 4? No. Stick to like 2 or something. I want to keep the line moving, but it doesn't have to be refreshed so damn fast. Something like this would work. I would be pretty okay with that. Which is a good place to be. Like me, just thumbs up. You know what? I'm pretty okay with that. Pretty okay with that. Alright. Next is blue science. I think blue is much more important than military. Military is in here, but it's all sprinkled. So it's not really the biggest thing. Do I need... Stuff? Do I need efficiency modules? Do I need stuff? I don't think I need stuff right now. Can I get the MCV? How many belts do we have? 724. Now we're talking. Now we're blah 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 with portals. I don't know what is happening. Which is my general vibe is I just don't know what is happening. Where the hell's the train? It takes a while. Okay, we are gonna go to here. And passenger present, passenger not present. Coffee too good. Coffee too good. Okay, so what science do I want to work on today? Either like blue. I just answered my own question. What I would honestly like is if I could grab. Let's start from the middle, maybe. The middle is probably a fine reference point. Something like that. Got all the assemblies. The inserters. Electromagnetics, the splitters. The radars. I really don't want any of the outside stuff. So that can go away. That can go away. I'll keep those. Nope, those can go away. Is there anything else? The inserters can go away. The chests can go away. The belts can go away. What if... Yeah, I really wish there was a zoom in feature. Realistically, what I should do is I should paste it down, edit it the way I want, re-put it back in the thing, right? Nope. Damn it. So on the OBS recording, the mouse is actually fairly small. For Windows, for my operating system, not of choice, but of necessity, the mouse is actually fairly big. Excuse me. What happens is OBS grabs the mouse. Oh, those all inserters? Funny. Get rid of that. OBS grabs the mouse before the operating system changes it. It's just the pointer value or something. I don't know how to really... Okay, you know what? Just get rid of all this. I really just wanted the framework. Okay, it looks like I actually got the framework. So the idea of this was going to be... Paste this in, that way I'm not screwing around with rail stops. Oh. I don't have any... Yep, I'll take some of that. Now I'm not really screwing around too much with the rail bits, which were a little annoying anyway. What I'll do is I'll does this up as underscore exit underscore entrance or whatever. Or maybe just underscore exit everything. Okay, it's all named the same. Train cannot find path to destination. Copper plate drop. What happened? Copper plate drop off. Copper plate drop off. Where are you? Oh, it flashed for a second. I wonder if a station became available and then immediately became unavailable. That could very well have been the thing. So I need more roboports. I'm going to need inserters. I'm going to need chests. Let's just grab the whole rigmarole. I don't need any more rail, I don't think. Thank you. Inserters. 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 Belts. I'm full of crap. Okay. Mer, mer, mer. Requesters, requesters, requesters. I don't think I need this many requesters, but I'm glad I have them. I also need more medium poles. Thank you. MCV, baby. That's where it's at. It's 100% where it's at. Alright. Oh, roboports. Whoops. There we go. And I already have... Oh. Hold on. I want that stuff on me, so here we go. 250 bots already. Yep, get that built out, lads. And there's your 250. Now, how do we have the rest of this design? Realistically, just very straightforward. I'm gonna go ahead and remove any of the... This looks like that. There's an extra signal somewhere I keep grabbing. This is correct. Oh, the original template is a little messed up. That's fine. Okay, let's take a gander at what we need for blue science. What I need are probably 4 things. Oh, I also need red circuits, which we're not making yet. I need red circuits, sulfur, and engines. I don't... Well, I probably need to make an engine train? That sounds silly. This should be our advanced circuit train first. So it's going to be green circuits, plastic, and copper. Oh, I want to hit escape, not the other button. So let's go ahead and shut this down. Oh, these aren't requesting anything. Right. This can look like that. This can look like that. No enable, disable, but it's all hooked in case I want stuff to happen. This is going to go away. I'm going to need a whole mess of electromagnetic plants. Yep, sorry. I know, sorry. I'm fine with this being the unloading station. I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna leave it. Keep wanting to mess with stuff and change it and modify it, and it's like, you know what? This isn't helping anybody. Green circuits, plastic, copper. Yep. And this is also exit. Good stuff. I put all the rail away because I'm a very smart man. Something like that works for me. Here's all this. Mr. Guy, can I have you right there? Thanks. Oh my god. Cool. No, I'm fine with you just dumping all the inventory into boxes. Ah, crap. I thought I told it to... whatever. Cool. Well, this is really easy to put back. Control click. Imagine you can control click. There you go. You have to do it in an empty spot. There we are. Get all this back. Very simple fix. Very simple folly. Here's all your fuel back. Sorry. Sorry, man. My bad. I'll take all this again. I'll take all this. I'll take all this. I'll take some of that. I'll take all of this back. I need more electromagnetic plants, which I don't have on the train. We'll have to go back and get some. We should have a bunch ready to party, right? 40 is a really good start. I really want 60, though. Really want 60, though. Really want 60, though. 40 recyclers seems fine. I have a lot of recyclers. I have a stupid amount of recyclers. And there's a stupid amount of natural science there. You're missing regular utility. Regular science is what you're missing. Okay. This looks good as a template. Any more rails? This is going to be our production template from now on. Anytime I need less or more, we'll have less or more. I could just remove one or add another one or whatever, but I think this works out pretty well. Let's just make sure we get everything cleaned up. There we are. Actually, that's better. Okay. 3 exits, all linked, 250 bots. I think I like what we've got here. So this is going to be my production ideal for everything. If we need more stuff, we need more stuff. We need less stuff, we need less stuff. But that looks like... Get rid of that radar. Oh, I didn't set up down below. Whoops. That can get nuked. That can get nuked. Yeah, I did not set up down here at all. Which will be easy to do. Full on science? What kind of a world is this? Really freaking cool one is what it is. We're going to do that. We're going to set it up for 4. I can go back there. Oh, that works for me. How many roboports I got there? I literally only have 4, huh? Let's do 6. Cool. Now it's done. It is perfection. I'm happy with it. I don't want any radars. That looks good to me. Save that sucker. So now... There's that. Yeah, now we have a good template. I can just keep slapping down more stuff. Let's go ahead and get this finished up, and then I want to get blue science figured out. Sulfur is not trained at the moment. There's no trains for it. I'll take that. Can you actually go back to MCV? Then where I want you to go is there. Passenger not present. Passenger present. There we go. Contradicting statements that work out pretty well as buffers. Just hang on here indefinitely. Okay, as usual, let's start at the bottom. I don't think I measured blue science at all. I think I always go off of the inserter speed and such, so let's grab what we already have here, because this looks pretty cool. Something like that. And the distance doesn't really matter. Okay. But it's right there. Alright, blue science. Sulfur, oh, no, we're doing... Hold on, we're doing red circuits. Right. We're doing red circuits first. Which everything is belted. Yep. Okay. I need my MCV. There you are. Can I name trains? Oh, let's give you... No. That's better. At least the color will be the Megacycle blue, which I like. I'm gonna get some roboports. I'll take a car. Thank you. Buddy O's gonna be right here in a second. $250 more Robobos. Yep, alright, I already placed a 6. There's your bots. Awesome. In their own little cute network. That's another thing that's a really difficult thing. Not difficult, but that's another thing that's been interesting to talk to new players about. Bots everywhere. Bots literally everywhere all the time, and then the next statement is usually, hey man, how come it takes forever for blah blah blah? Well, I can tell you why. If you're not going to like it. Because bots everywhere. And they're like, but more bots. And I'm like, that's absolutely 100% correct. That's not a bad way to play or think. The thing that gets messy, though, is if a bot from the other side of the world takes an order, and it's like, well, you want me to do what now? You have to wait for that bot to come all the way. So what we've done is we've really separated out networks. These are literally just for unloading, just for loading. That's it. So when we get a shipment, it's very fast. Same thing here. I tried to separate out this network. Actually, that's not a good example. This one is, though. And what this does is this just piles on the stuff really damn fast. And once a train arrives, you'll see what I mean. But it just blitzes right on. No problem. Nope. Thank you, but nope. Oh no! All my stuff! Don't take my stuff. I actually want that stuff. I don't want any of this wood or anything, though. You can get rid of that. We're going to take another whole mess of these things. And we're going to grab some more level 2 efficiency modules. At least that 150 that's available. Nice. Okay, hurry up. Hurry up, guys. Hurry up. Hurry up. We're going to run out of Jim Jam really freaking fast the very moment I get to the place I want to get to. And get everything deployed. Okay, I need you to go there. Thank you. So, how did we do for red circuits? Oh yeah, we used our old standby. I really liked this setup. I don't know if it's smart or good, but I really like this setup. So where's our plastic drop-off of Magai? Do we have this limited at all? I think I need a second plastic train for this to really work. Because I don't think this is limited. Enable train limit 1, which is fine. I only have the 2 stations, so I'm not super worried about that. I would like... Thanks. Plastic pickup. The other one is called plastic drop-off. Very smart. Boop. Have fun. Okay, there's plastic. I need more stuff to do more things and stuff. Thank you. I don't have to establish copper. I do have to establish green circuits. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Interrupt. Fuel station. You got it. Add station. Green circuit pickup. I didn't label the station yet, actually. So this is going to be called... Oh, I did this one? I did that one. Okay. This is going to be... Yep. Red circuit. So R... Circuit. G circuit, drop off. It is the red circuit node. It is green circuits that I'm dropping off. So I try to articulate it like, I don't know, I started learning programming language like BASIC. And so learning that is very much... 2 seconds. It's very much English as a language. That's how it's written. So I try to do noun, noun, verb kind of a thing. That's kind of how I like to do it. So, alright. So this guy... full cargo, and then you're going to go to red circuit, green circuit, drop off, empty cargo. Where am I? I get so lost into where the hell I am about things. There's 6. Nope. You can go, and then you're going to interrupt. 5 solid fuel should get you to where I want you to be. Okay, next. That's probably not enough room. Try again. Next, I need copper. Oh, which I've already set copper? I have not. So let's see here. Copper drop-off. Copper drop-off. That takes care of that. You're actually just red circuits. You're the red circuit deliveryman. Deliveryman. There's that. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And this is exit, which is not correct, but I do want the same naming location. Red circuits, green circuits. Red circuit pickup. Trade limit 2 is fine. Here is a handful of fuel. And whenever I want to take you somewhere else, that's where we'll take you. Alright, what is next? I need to get you the hell out of the way, is what has to happen next. We're missing what? Red circuit, green circuit, drop off. Oh yeah. That's gonna be something, alright. I would like you to go right there. And passenger present, passenger not present. Okay, very good. Now, I already have a setup for this that I really like because it's our old style. It's kind of a weird star-looking shape, or an asterisk-looking shape. I really like it. Is kind of the point. This was my first red circuit design style. Let's do something like that. Did I grab all those electromagnetic plants? I super did. Cool. That's all there. That's all there. Okay, you need how much? 4. We can do 10 of these. Wait, so yeah, we could do a lot. How much are you outputting? 0.5 a second. That's not nearly enough at all. 1, 2. Let's extend this slightly. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. On the outside here is going to be some sweet copper. And I've already got some stuff for this, so no need to replicate our work. Or no need to duplicate our work, I should say. This won't work for me. Where did we get to? 8? Dang it. Aw, man. That looks so good, too. Alright, let's do 6. 7. No one's gonna know. No one is gonna know except me. Well, and you, right? My fans, my pals, my guys and gals, yeah. Stuff. That looks like that. Yep, that fills immediately. And that can go away, because that's where that ends. Cool. Oh man, so good. Friggin' so good. Actually, this goes the other way. Does that redo the underneathy as well? I wonder if that does. It does! Ah, oh, so good. Man, it's the little features you stumble upon. That's the cool stuff. It's the little features you're like, I wonder if that's how that works. And then it does, and you're like, holy crap. Oh my god. Me, oh my. I do like pie. Alright, so then it's gonna be... Let's just set this up for everything else. This is stupid overkill. Which is probably the name of a video game I'm working on. Dumb crap overkill. That's some dumb crap right there, that's for sure. How much? 200. Order doesn't matter. This is way overkill for all this, but I like the way it looks. We're going to hang on to it. That goes away. And there we are. Red circuit's online. And we're going to paste this, so I don't know, 5 more times. Okay, how much are we already using? How much do we already have? My objective always is to see how much we have and make sure we go higher. So 25 is where we're at right now. Total plants, and we're at 35. Okay. Let's go ahead and get this all queued up. Yep, none of that is applicable. Thank goodness the networks aren't merged. How many do we ask for here? 400? That's probably fair. Red circuit stack. Oh, 200. Same. Okay. 400 is fine. Right. I don't have any of it going into boxes. Like that better. Okay, what is the limit on those green boxes? There is no limit. High is the limit. Okay. Maybe a little nuts. Okay. Oh, you guys are about to be really damn busy really fast. Check this. Yeah, just copy the whole thing. Why not? And right there. Okay, so we went from 30... What? I forgot already. 25. And we're gonna go to 70. I'd say that's a pretty dang good jump. I'm out of electromagnetic plants. That makes perfect sense. That makes 100% perfect sense as to why. Yep, y'all are gonna crap yourselves for a hot minute and get really, really busy, and then it's gonna be perfect. I'm just gonna grab this guy real quick. He's a little faster. He's also not carrying a ton of stuff, so right... No path to destination. Oh. Haha. Yeah, you're right. You know, when you're right, you're right. I don't think this is gonna work at all. Yeah, it's not gonna... Thank you. I click a little too fast. I get a little too excited. You know the drill. You know the drill. Right there, please. I should have some now. Yeah, another 60. Hot dang. Hot diggity, diggity, diggity dang. Yep, everything is working. Nope, because utility science. I'm excited about this because this is just going to be a massive leap in everything we do. I don't know. Do we do one more row yet? Oh, I was missing underneath these and stuff. Let's start with that. I think that's still a very strong increase as to what we had. So, if you could take me back to... yeah, right there would be great. Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you. Oh, I don't want to spend too much more time with this. Underneath these, I'm out of those straight up. I don't know, this is my favorite part. I have so many favorite parts of the game. I really like the beginning. The very beginning of the game is one of my favorites. Also, this, where we're just, like, constantly ramping up production over and over and over and over again. Also, not gonna lie, a lot of fun. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with 2 sets of that making red circuits. We already have hundreds of the stuffs available, which is excellent. I think we're done. I think that's it. Now, how much do I care about this stone? It's 2 million stone. We have 4 million there, 1.7 million there. I don't think I care about it. So, second verse, same as the first, right? Oh, you're fine where you're at, actually. I don't need that anymore. This is our guy. So we're gonna do... It's right about there. And by right about, I mean exactly. I'll take a whole mess of rail. I'll take all of the... I think I'm pretty good on those power lines. I don't need these little guys anymore. We're doing assembly machines on this. Oh god, I already have a ton. I already have chests and chests and chests inserters. That looks pretty straight up to me. Oh, roboports. And robobos. I'm out of robobos. Can you please go and get more robobos? Thank you. This is very reminiscent to my freight forwarding run. Oh, man, that was such a good mod. It was a very, very good mod. I don't know if it's been updated for 2.0. But man, I would love to see the thought pattern of how... What am I short on? Steel? Ah, stink. I don't have any furnaces on me, do I? Ah, stink. Don't. I don't have any... Alright, you know what? I'm just gonna go get some stuff. Oops. Train stops would also be really cool to have in the supply train. I kind of figured I'd only need like 10 every time I go out, so like why bother, but... Anyway, freight forwarding, an incredible mod. Oop, hello. Freight forwarding is an incredible mod. Realistically, the way it works is you have to rely on ships and containers. You containerize items to give them the proper amount of shipping, I guess, bandwidth. Otherwise, what happens is it makes it really difficult to ship a lot of items very far distance. Steel is used to make containers. Items go in containers with a compressor or a packager. I forgot what it was called. And then what happens... Oh, and I don't have those power poles anymore. And then what happens is you ship the stuff into a ship. You put it in a ship, and then you get it to whatever location you want, and then you unpackage it. And the item density is pretty crazy cool. But if you don't use containers, the shipping capacity is pretty appalling. It's pretty bad. MCV, come to me. So that was actually a lot of fun because it really forced me to try to manage all the logistics. All the everything. Oh, that ran out of juice. Everything is backed up. Cripes. Okay. Easy fix. We've done this before. Easy fix. Just gotta reboot the boot. And what'll happen is, once they have nutrients, they'll actually work and they'll be able to kick out all that garbage they have. Yeah, so the problem is these are just going to pop one after another, after another, after another, after another. Which, this is actually a really good testament to our defenses. I don't want those to be made right now. No, don't worry about the eggs. This is a similar problem as to what happened before. It's not pulling enough stuff for itself. There we go. Now you'll make a crap ton. Yep, perfect. Okay, now you can come online. Now you can come online. Now you can come online. We're done with that. We're done with that. We're done with that. We're done with that. Is this working? It seems to be? Yeah, it seems to be. I did jack up some more of the numbers. 42, 53, 103, 891. Holy dang, man. Yeah, I took some liberties with some of these numbers. Okay. Cool. Okay. Yeah, that's all gonna rebooty itself. Cool. What was I doing? What was next on the list? Shucks, I already forgot. All this is set up. Oh, I was waiting for my train to come back. I'm missing some stuff. Some signals, actually. Here's what I'd like to do. Is there a ton of solar sitting here? 17. Not much. I don't know if I did this yet. That way we don't have a massive swarm of stuff. Actually, what about the substations? 2.4K. Yep, damn it. Oh my god. Oh, I found where all our iron and stuff is. I want to build this as a template next time. It was really ad hoc because I was kind of panicky to get our systems back online. Let's say 50. Yeah. Oh, wonder. Yeah. We don't have enough iron. I wonder why. Oh, I don't wonder why. Not anymore, I don't. Okay, so there's that. While we're having the conversation and while we're here, let's see if we can use some of this stuff. Oh, this is my old blueprint book. Yeah, I think I have the ratios better with that blueprint, that solar design. I'm also kind of happy with this one. Okay. It'll actually use some of the materials so it's not a complete waste. Yep, perfect. I don't mind still building out solar, even if we've got nuclear. Yep, nuclear does have to pop in here and there. Okay, what are we doing? Some signals. I'll take all that. I don't need that. We have inserters. We got boxes. Bots. I asked for bots. I asked for bots for Christmas. Thank you for the 50. 50 times 5, I should say. This builds out real easily, like... That goes away. That goes away. There we go. Okay, any bots in the network? Nope. Blork. There you are. Now, this is going to be blue science. Actual blue science. So, sulfur is going to come here. Engines are going to come here. Actually, I don't have engines yet. I guess we might be doing engines this time. So, let's see here. Something like this. Similar to what we had with the other thing. This will be really easy to mock up, excuse me. There we are. I really have to get rid of that. Maybe red bottles are so uncommon, it at least reminds me to go do it. You are going to do engines. This is maybe a total incomplete and thorough waste. But I'm okay with that. Would it be smart to just do engines here inside of Blue Science? And then just use the engines at base for generic stuff? Maybe. I might have to think about that a little bit harder. But we have red circuits. We're out of something. We're out of copper. How come you're only 3 train? Wait. Yeah, you should be a 4 train. Hold on. It's literally just going to be a hop, skip, and a what do you do right over here. You should absolutely be a 4 train. Okay. Unless you got your tail bit off or something, I'm not sure. If I don't want to do engines for engine's sake, and I just want to do it for blue science, let's do some math and see how much that would work. So I would just have to import... Let's see here. Blue science is... It would be sulfur, red circuits, iron, and steel. So you make 0.12 a second, you need 0.1 a second. So it's almost a 1-to-1. Almost. For every 5, we can do 6 of these. So that's the ratio. I think I like that a lot better. Having a giga engine complex doesn't seem as appealing as I'd think. It doesn't seem appealing at all. Let's phrase it the way it is. It doesn't sound appealing at all. I guess I wouldn't mind doing it, but I don't think I'm going to ramp up that hard anyway. So this looks like... Right, the roboports are in the way. I actually want the roboports in the way. We'll have them there. That's fine. So this will look like... that. And we'll have more roboports. Totally cool with that, too. That goes away, that goes away. This is offset slightly, which is why it's a little weird. There, and there. Perfection. Okay, that looks like that. That looks like that. Julio de Fabio. Okay. I need a train stop. I need to hook this up. I like leaving the trees there. McBacon? McBain! Oh, well, I guess I don't like the trees there. Oh, man, it does not take long to flip my switch, apparently. These are all exit. I guess it doesn't matter. It does, as long as they're named the same, meaning I gotta change them over, it's all good. Okay, so this is gonna be blue science. So this is BL, oh, I'll have to spell blue, because we also have black science. Science. And then blue science. Pick up. Easy. Alright, let's do some math. The red circuits and the sulfur don't really matter, because we're going to do a crap, I call it a crap ton of them. Because 3 items are going to have to go in, this is going to be just a little wacky. No, just cut that. Put it there, thank you. So let's see here. Grabby. Grabby. Oh, this won't work this way. Dry, hairy, dead trees in the way. Alright. So this is going to look like this. Place. Grab. Grab. This is just like we did the other science bits. Grab, grab, place. And then we do something like this. Or do I want the placement to be on the inside? I want the placement to be on the inside. I lied. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think I like that a little bit better. And we reverse it. And let's see, how does this look? Something like that. Not quite, actually. This is going to look like that, because that's where it ends. But I think we have something here. Nope, a little too much. Thank you. That goes that. That goes that. Okay, grab, grab, so up to 4, and then this is going to place. Place, 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 place. Perfect. Okay. That is the foundation of this side. Now we have to do the other side. So I'm going to grab this whole rigmarole, actually. This gets cut. That gets put in the middle. Okay. Now we have something. And H-aroo. That should work all the same. Let's place that. Output product goes here. Yep. Placing the items on the outside, grabbing the middle, grabbing the middle. Perfect. That works for me. So, to make this many, I would need that many engines, right? 0.1 it requires, 0.12 it disperses. Something like that. Something like that will do it. So just as a, again, if I don't know all the ratios or stuff, or I'm still working something through, I'll just paste it like this. And then, there we go. This is actually going to look like that. That looks like that. And we're out of blue belts. Where did I leave my train? I left it over here. I think I'm going to call this a slightly shorter episode. I need to get going and run some errands. I've delayed long enough. The thralls of Factorio have me in their vice grips. Or as I'm the thrall, right? I think. In that equation, I'm the thrall, probably. So we'll bring 4 items here, and we are going to go absolute dumpster crazy on some blue science. For the math, 0.1 a second. How much of this? 0.25 a second, 0.2 a second. So if I really want 0.2 a second, I need double the greens. So we have how many of this? 48, really? Wow, okay. I need 96 blues. Oh, this got messy really fast. Anyway, let's go ahead and save this here. I'm going to dig more into that next episode. Thank you all for joining me. My name's JohnMegacycle, and I hope to catch you next time. Hey there, guys, gals, fans, and pals. Thanks for checking out my video. I also want to take a moment to thank all my supporters and donators, and if you'd like to join up with me and game with my crew, all the information to get connected is in the description below. Thanks again, and I hope to catch you next time.